Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix error code in Windows 11, 10 without losing anything. Boot with bootable CD or USB. Click Next, click Repair your computer. Click Troubleshoot, click Command Prompt. Type disk part. Type list disk. No star under GPT indicates the partition is MBR. Type BCD boot. In my case, boot drive and Windows installed drive is C drive. /fix MBR. /fix boot. If any error, type bootsec space /nt60 space sys. Type attrib/c:\boot /bcd space -h space -r space -s. Type ren c:\boot /bcd space bcd21.old. Type bootrec space /rebuild bcd. Type bcd boot space Windows installed drive /Windows space /s space boot drive space /f space all. Boot with bootable CD or USB. Click Next, click Repair your computer. Click Troubleshoot, click Command Prompt. Type disk part. Type list disk. Star under GPT indicated the BIOS type is GPT or UEFI. Type cell disk 0. Type list part. Select your system partition. Type assign letter equal to K. Type bootrec space /fix mbr. Type bootrec /fix boot. If any error, use this command bootsec space /nt60 space sys. Type kcalan. Attrib space bcd space -h space -r space -s. Ren space bcd space bcd21.old. Bootrec space /rebuild bcd. Type bcd boot space Windows installed drive kcalan /Windows space /s space kcalan space /f space all. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.